Morning, everybody. Happy Sunday from the streets of Ensenada, Baja Peninsula in Mexico. I hope your Sunday is off to a great start. It makes you wonder what your hotel room would be like for 14 bucks a night. Yeah, there's cheaper. Alley of Doom. $12 a night. Be careful where you walk on the streets too. A lot of open holes. Things are a little different down here in Mexico, as you can tell by some of the wiring you see on the streets, some of the electrical wiring. But quite a night last night. Had my first really physical encounter with one of the street working gals down here last night. Guess it could have gone worse, but I held my ground, and as is my nature. We're out there doing the video last night. We're just riding around town. I try to give people a really good sense of the street life in whatever town I'm in. And we ended up over in the red light area, and I'm just rolling by and capture some video, and we pull over to have a beer in like a dive dance bar. I think it was like $1.50 a beer or something like that. And the gal that I captured on film came running up, and before I could even open the door to the car, she pulls the door open, she's grabbing my arm. And I'll tell you, that's something that'll really set me off. And well, we almost really went at it. You know, I'm good until you go to put your hands on me, and then kind of the Baltimore comes out in me. And you know, she's like, "I want you to erase that video," and I'm like, "No, I'm not erasing. I'm just taking videos on the streets here, and you just happen to be there." And she wouldn't let go of my arm, and finally I pulled it away, and she got the idea that things could get physical down there. Now look, I don't want to end up in a Mexican jail. And the cab, of course, speaks good Spanish, so the situation was defused. But yeah, I just don't back down on things when it comes to the streets. And like I said, I don't want to end up in a jail, but it was kind of funny, and looking back on it. And finally she just kind of let go and figured I wasn't going to do anything with my camera or my smartphone. Just kind of walked away, and it's just the way it is. If you're on the streets, it's, you know, it's fair game. But things didn't escalate beyond that point, thank goodness. But I just don't, you know, I just don't get pushed like that on the streets. So it could have been worse. Turned out good. We'll laugh about it for years to come, and I'm sure it'll, you know, people will be talking about it. But I don't know. I think Kev got it on his GoPro. He was rolling the whole time. I'm not quite sure. I didn't even have my camera in my hand when we got out of the car. But it was funny. Well, I'm going to enjoy my day today. It's the wind isn't as violent down here. I might actually be able to get some sunshine. I hope you enjoyed those morning scenes around Ensenada. Lots of good stuff coming. You'll see those roll around videos. It'll be a few days. I just put up the Pismo video overnight, and I do really hope that you take time to watch that. And as with this video, thumbs up are most appreciated. Thanks, everybody.